Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can show your previous act rank when you go on Valorant. Like, you can show it on your play card when you play competitive. So if I go to competitive, as you can see, there won't be an act rank here. That's because I choose not to show it. If I go to career, click here. Also, don't mind this mess over here, but if I go to act rank, um, I'm, I'm just going to select show previous act rank on my player card. If I go to play, it'll show that my previous act rank was Diamond 2. I'm not Diamond 2, but well, my friend did play on my account a few times. But if you want to play and rated, this is my username, donut duck, hashtag blah, BWM3A. If you want to play and rate it with me, you can add me on that. But that's pretty much how you can show your previous act rank on Valorant. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!